COP27, or the Africa COP, is being held this year in one of the most climate-vulnerable regions in the world. African countries are expected to demand that the world's rich nations live up to their promises on financial and technical support. What can we expect at COP this year?
The key topic at the conference would be related to climate finance.
The key sticking point is climate finance.
Why is there a lot of skepticism about COP this year?
The annual pledge of $100 billion, which was promised by advanced economies, was largely unmet. So many developing countries are feeling like they were promised a bunch of stuff in relation to finance and adaptation, technical support, and they are not getting that. So I think this might create a real toxicity which can be hard to overcome and can also affect the outcomes of the conference.
Whether the required climate finance will be transferred to the developing countries and to the vulnerable communities, and these are multi-stage processes. It's not just allocating the climate funding or climate finance, but at the same time to make sure that it's being systematically being followed and it reaches the grassroots communities, and there is a transparent finance landscape associated with that. There should be a strong governance system. There should be institutional capacities in the source or at the area where you're planning to have the climate adaptation projects, to make sure that the projects become more sustainable and more scalable. So it's not a pilot project, it has to have that longevity.